How to access Amgen employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Amgen employee login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username. If you want to stay sign in, you can check in for the option of keep me sign in. After you type in your username, click on the option of next. Then you'll need to type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, click on the option of forget password to recover it. After you provide your details, click on verify, and with that you will be logged into your Amazon account. So this way you can easily get access to Amazon employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.